5 ways which are going to improve your English fluency. Because do you want to improve your English? Yes. If yes, then these 5 tips are going to improve your English fluency. You can easily be master English by using these 5 tips. Okay, so just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful ways, and all the tips which I'm going to share with you in this video are going to improve your English fluency. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so yes, I have already shared these 5 tips in my previous video, but I know there are so many my new subscriber. So for the new subscriber and for the revision, again I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful ways, and believe me, all the tips which I'm going to share with you in this video are going to improve your English fluency. You can easily be master in English, but you have to follow these 5 tips which I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay, so ready? So without any delay, let's get into the topic. Okay, so first thing, the first way which I'm going to share with you, name is, oh, it's not a name, actually it's a habit. So thing is, don't be afraid of making mistake. Yes, this is the first thing. I know there are so many people, they have a desire for learning this language, but they think, actually they have a ego, and because of the ego they are not going to speak in English. They are not going to speak even a simple sentence in English, because they are thinking, if what if I will make mistake in English, what if I forget some words in English, what if I will not complete my sentence in English, so people will laugh at my English, people will mock of my English. Yeah, there are so many people, they are thinking like this. And if you are thinking like this, then please don't be afraid of making mistakes. Do mistakes, 100 mistakes, thousands mistakes, but you have to make a mistake. Okay, because mistakes is the part of learning. Okay, you are making mistakes, that means you are learning new skill, and learn from the mistakes, because all the mistakes are our teacher. They teach us that you don't need to do this type of mistake again. So just try to speak in English. Even if you are making mistakes in English, it's okay. It's a part of learning. Okay. Now let's move on second way. So the second way is that listening. Yes, this is the wonderful way to improve your English fluency. Actually, this is just the principle of consuming and input and output. So input by listening, if you are listening, if you are reading, so these are some content that you are consuming. Okay, now the time you have to giving your output, and this is the thing that most of the people are not giving, and because of this reason they are not able to speak in English. So what you need to do, you need to just whatever you are consuming while listening, while reading, you have to give your output by speaking. Please try to speak in English, please, because you have a lot of content while listening, while reading. Now you should convert your content that you have listened or read, convert your content into the speaking. Okay, so this is the thing. Listen very carefully. Listen 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. No, it's not going to help you. You have to listen same content minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. So when what happened, whenever some a situation comes, so you can easily give your output, because you have a memory, listening memory. Okay, now let's move on. Third way. So third way name is think in English. Yes, think in English. How to think in English? It's very difficult. It's not our native language. English not our native language. So how to start think in English? We are habitual to think in English in our mother tongue. That is not English. So how to start think in English? Don't worry. You have a lot of content while listening, while reading. You should work on make a little sentences in English by thinking. Think whatever activities happens around you. Think about all the objects name that are around you. Think about all the activities, all the things that you are watching. Find out some objects name in English. Find out some activities in English, and try to make little sentences, and try to write down some sentences in English in your notebook. Because you are when you are writing some sentences in English that you are thinking, so there is a lots of time. You can easily be think in English in a translation form. Okay, so here you have a lots of time, and if you do this practice each and every day, then after some time you feel okay, you can easily be make some sentence in English without taking lots of time. Okay, so yes, try to start think in English. That is very important. How to start? Find out some objects name in English, find out some activities in English, try to make little sentences in English, and just try to speak out, just try to write down on your notebook. In this way you can easily be fluent in English. Okay, now let's move on. Fourth way. So fourth way is, it's very important, because this is the thing that you have to do each and every day for getting your fluency, and that is I am doing each and every day, and that is record your voice, record your video. Take any topic, and first what you need to do, you need to just listen topic. If that is in your video form or audio form, listen, and try to fix it. Listen one time is not going to help you. You have to listen content minimum 10 times. Okay, and try to speak out. Okay, and for this, if you feel comfortable, then fix your Android phone in front of you, or without taking any pause, you have to finish your speech that you have listened earlier. Okay, do this practice, because if you are doing this thing, so your hesitation, your stuckness, your shyness automatically will remove if you are doing this thing each and every day minimum 1 month. Okay, record your voice, record your video, and when you complete your thing, your speech, try to find out your mistake, and there is no one who is going to find out your mistake. There is only you can find out your mistake. You are your own judge. There is no any judgment by others. There is judgment by yourself. Okay, so yes, this is the best way to improve your English fluency. Now let's move on. Fifth way, that is very important, and that is practice. Yes, you heard right, practice. Without practice you can't achieve your goal. Whether you have a lot of a pile of books, you have a lot of contents in English, you listen so many content in English, you are thinking every time in English, but if you haven't delivered, your speech, your thoughts in English by speaking, you can't be fluent in English. So for this, you need to practice each and every day. Each and every day you have to face your problem. You have to face your shyness. You have to face your stuckness. You have to, once you do this practice each and every day, after 1 month you will feel okay. There is a confidence level increasing inside you. You feel strength. You feel a motivation inside increasing each and every day. Okay, so for this you need to practice. Now the question is that, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, so how to improve our English fluency? Because I have no one. How to do practice? Don't worry, you can do practice at your home by using your Android phone, and there are so many apps. If you don't know, if you haven't watched my previous video, depend on the free apps that will help you to increase your English fluency. Don't worry, in this video's description box I'm going to drop those videos links so that you can easily check out some apps that is going to help English practice each and every day. Okay, and for this you don't need to give money. You can use different kind of apps and improve your English fluency. So yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.